You're smart, you're capable, you work hard, so why do you feel stuck when other people keep moving forward? Because your hesitation is costing you time and progress. Most corporate and military professionals like you are used to following structure, but then when it's time to take control of your own big moves like promotion, leadership, starting a business, self-doubt holds you back. But I'm about to give you 5 quick steps to break that cycle. So number 1, rewire your thoughts. Every time you hesitate, it strengthens your doubt. Instead, think about it like this. I'm not gonna be fearful, I'm not gonna hesitate, I'm gonna make moves. Number 2, make micro decisions. Confidence builds with action. Start with small, quick decisions every day, but then scale it up. Number 3, track your wins. Keep a confidence log. Every decision you make that's successful, write it. The brain needs proof. If a decision is not successful, rewire your thinking that it's just a valuable lesson, it's not a failure. 4, change the why not me mindset. High achievers feel imposter syndrome, but the only difference is they take action anyway. And last, number 5, take bold action right now. Whatever you hesitate on, decide now. Make the call, send the email, say yes. Every hesitation costs you opportunities. Every action creates momentum. What are you gonna choose? Follow me for real-world strategies to build confidence, step into leadership, and create success without waiting for permission.